right. Day 2 of recording. Got some quads today, quads and biceps. I'm recording this. I just ate my pre-workout meal. Kind of just letting that settle a little bit. Definitely going to have to... going to go and hit some quads and bicep today. You may think it's a little bit weird that I'm doing legs 2 days in a row, but the way that it's hamstring and then quad. So, you know, they like work together on some movements, but for the most part, they're antagonists. So I don't really ever have any issues with soreness or anything. I actually hit 3 leg days a week. Monday, hamstring, Tuesday, quads, and then Wednesday's a rest day. And then I hit upper, and then it's a full leg day. So that may seem like overkill. For me, it feels really good. I have not had any issues with soreness yet. Every workout is pretty freaking legit. So that's what we're doing today. I've eaten twice so far. It's almost 1. I got up late today. I will add. Usually I'll get up around like 7 or 8 to eat whenever I have work today. But I woke up a little bit late. I stayed up a little bit late playing freaking Minecraft. Terrible night for Minecraft. We got our asses kicked, lost everything like twice. And after like the second or third time dying and losing all our shit in the nether, we were just like, yeah, let's call it. Let's call it there. I need to go to sleep. And by then it was like 2 o'clock. So, I mean, it's whatever. Because I have work today, I usually eat like I'm hungrier. So instead of eating every like 2.5 hours, it's like every hour and a half I'm hungry again. So it kind of worked out for the best. The only problem was getting my pre-workout meal in before the gym. It usually settles pretty fast, but you know, it was just a little bit closer. But I'm feeling pretty good. I'm gonna drink some more of my water and then probably head out. So I will see you in the gym. Definitely an awkward movement. I don't know if I'm gonna record many of these, but this is the first movement. I don't know what it's been, but every time I crouch down like this, right here, something in my calf, bro, it's killing me. So we're probably gonna stop doing that. Got some single leg extensions. Got a little bit of an imbalance. Plus, this is probably the cause of it. The leg pad is at an angle, so I don't feel that I get an even contraction at the top. One leg's always outworking the other one, which I think is my left leg. But we got 3 sets of 12, starting out at 130. If we can go up, we will, but we'll just see. We're probably gonna stay right there for now.
While my right leg is smaller, I'm noticing quite a bit more fatigue in the left leg. Quite a few assisted reps on the last one, so we're gonna start with left leg this time for the last set. First working set, obviously warm up before you fucking throw 3 plates on. Had two warm-up sets before this, so no, three warm-up sets. Don't just jump under hundreds of pounds of weight. Don't be a fucking idiot. Here, 3 sets of 8, going up each set. Between sets, I just wanted to fucking point out how fucking much of a difference just like doing the shit that you need to do will get you like hyped up to have a better set. Struggled with 8 fire alarms going off, bro. Struggled for 8 with 320, and you know, I didn't do my slap up or anything like I usually do because I'm trying to get extra. Bro, just getting fucking hype. Next set, put on 340. Got that shit for 8 fucking faster than I got 320. Now we got 355 on the bar. We're gonna fucking throw that around too. But like, don't be afraid to fucking just get in your fucking set. I used to be a wrestler, and that was one of my big things. I'd slap the shit out of my thighs. That is now translated over to my squats, because that's definitely my hardest lift. But it gets me fucking hyped up. So I fucking do it. But if you can't hear any of this, I'll fucking voice it over since the fire alarm's going off. But let's fucking hit 355. 2 inside, 2 outside. May have to go down for the outside. Because we worked out at the freaking campus gym, I'm posing at home. I'm not messing around with the locker room posing, dude. Too many old men walk in just butt ass naked. Which I know they grew up in a different time, but I'm like, bro, come on, man. Like, not even trying to hide it. But you know what? Gym's not just my resource. So we're gonna pose at home, and I'm also gonna rant while I'm getting ready to do this. Anybody that knows me knows that I can be a hater. Like, I'm not the most hating, like, ass person ever. Like, I can be pretty positive, but I can also be a hater. And dude, don't be the guy that sits on a machine and just like scrolls reels, bro. Like, I understand taking your rest periods, taking your rest, it's important. But like, dude, especially in a limited equipment gym. So like, for example, in my gym, there's one Smith machine. There's one leg extension. That's worth a damn. The other one's plate loaded and it'll fucking fling back on you. There's one lying hamstring curl and there's one seated hamstring curl. Don't be the guy that just sits on your phone scrolling reels, and when someone comes up to you and asks you like, hey man, do you mind if I work in? You go, I've just got a few more. Dude, like if you're fucking going at it, bro, dude, more power to you. Like, if you don't want to share machines, that's fine. Me personally, I'm always gonna let you work in. I don't give a shit if I'm like literally getting set up. If I've been like taking a long ass rest and you come up and ask to work in, I'm getting off and I'm letting you hit your set, because I know damn good and well that I've been camping on the machine and fucking just chilling. But anyway, that's all I gotta say about that, bro. I just like, it eats me up. Other than that, good workout today. Let's go through this. I think my face is gonna be a little bit cut off. So are my feet, but it's whatever. I don't know. Let's see here. Holy shit, I'm not holding these for very long. I'm on a time crunch and I'm fucking tired. Oh, holy shit, dude, I'm about to pass out. Oh. Today was fucking good. Holy shit. I'm not gonna do the other side pose right now. We're just gonna work on the front stuff now. Let's see. I can't see myself really, so if this is shitty, then just whatever, bear with me. Oh, what am I missing? Let's do abs and quads. We're gonna switch up the kickstand. Woo! All right. Overall, damn good day. I got a rest day tomorrow. I might put this video out then, not sure. We'll see, but I gotta get ready for work. So if I don't come back and say anything else, don't forget to do abs. Don't forget to hit calves. Yeah, and do your cardio. Drink your water and eat your calories. But yeah, we'll fucking see you in the next one.